Good morning, viewers. Very good morning. After 1 week break, today I am going to explain about the English proverb, that is, a rolling stone gathers no moss. What is that? Rolling stone gathers no moss, because if the stone is moving on, it cannot gather any moss. But the standstill stone can gather moss. For this one example story, I am going to narrate. There are two friends, and first friend's name was Gnanesh, second friend's name was Somesh. This Somesh and Gnanesh both are very good friends. They have completed their economics degree in graduation and they wanted to find a job. So both were searching. Gnanesh got one job as an accountant in the company of the hometown. So he has joined in that company. He has done his hard work. He was so sincere and he was very good at his work. So company people recognized his sincerity and hard work. They have given him increments and promotion. At last he became a manager of the company. And he was the manager of the company. He has conducted his duties very properly and he was well known in that company. He was not only well known in the company, but he has very good relations with his friends and relatives, and he has earned name, fame and good person in the hometown. And he was so famous, he became familiar with each and everyone. He has conducting social activities also. So he became very rich and settled man and an important man in the town. So like that he has got name and fame without changing his job, without moving from his hometown. But Somesh, he wanted to find out the jobs in other cities. He went to another city and he has done job for 3 months and he was not happy with that. He went to another town. He has got another job. There he has done 6 months, but he was not happy and satisfied. Like that he went around the places. He was moving from place to place and changing his job from one job to another job. At last he could not settle anywhere. At last he came back to his hometown for searching job to settle. So it became the starting point for him. So now he has to start everything for his job. So like that here you can see Gnanesh and Lokesh, Gnanesh and Somesh. Gnanesh was so popular in the city and Somesh was not popular. Gnanesh was well settled and Somesh was not settled, and Gnanesh was having very good relations with friends and relatives. But Somesh doesn't have any friends and any relatives so connected to him. And so Gnanesh got name and fame and well settled man in the city. But Somesh came to the place and he has to conduct himself as a new person and he start his life. So this change became a problem for him, for Somesh's job, and it became a starting point for him. He has to search job, he has to settle. So in this way we can say that Somesh could not settle because he was moving around, he was changing the jobs. So that's why we can say that rolling stone gathers no moss. But as Gnanesh, he has settled in one place, he has stick to one job, he has got increments and good position as a company manager, and he has very good relations with his friends and relatives. So by this we can understand that rolling stone gathers no mass, and stand still stone can get name, fame and popularity. So that's why you chose your life as Ganesh or Somesh. So stick to one place, stick to one job and do sincerely and do hard work. You can get the fruits of that company. So like that, one should not be like a rolling stone like Somesh. One should be stand still stone like Ganesh and be popular and be famous and get good name and fame. So from this what we have learnt? We should be stick to one job, we should be stick to one place so that we can enjoy the fruits of that hard work and sincerity, and one can become famous in their jobs or in their attitudes and in their behavior. So be stick to one, don't be like a rolling stone and be a like standstill stone, and conduct yourself and satisfy with your own jobs where you are doing what you are doing, and make yourself as a self-sufficient and get name and fame. So for you now, speaking English is a problem. So try to speak English, listen to the speeches, listen to the videos, listen to the stories and make yourself comfortable and make yourself as a good speaker by listening to the videos, by listening to the speeches. So listen to my video, learn well, write well and speak well, and narrate the story to your friends, and first you speak and make them speak. And so don't forget to subscribe my video. Listen to it, like it and subscribe it. Have a good day.